All right, guys, we're starting a video here in this basement in this gaming room. We got these two chairs here. We even opened up the stairs, and then we got opening there that goes to the other side of the basement. And then over here, this is we got some columns. We created like a nice home theater right here. Pretty cool. Take notice of the little decorative trim to the left and to the right. And what we did here on this one here on the right was we used this as a door to get into the utilities and you know, some storage back there as well. But it's kind of cool because you know, looks nice and decorative. And then as we come through here, we got, this is the AV closet. We have all the equipment here. We put a vent to vent that out, and basement pretty much wide open when you come here. This area is set up right now as a gym. TV on the wall here. Nothing really to speak of just yet. They're going to set this up later, but you can see right through the basement here in the main area. We got a little kitchenette over there, and you can see over here into the home theater area, maybe some bar stools, this little kitchen counter area. This right here is actually a hidden door. Open that for you in a second. And then we got the bathroom right there. But you can see here at the utilities, got a little garbage we got to clean up there. And like I said, this is kind of cool. A couple floating shelves. And just to conclude, we got a full bath here. Cool tile here. Love the way they set this up. And there you go. Another custom finished basement and with a little theater. And we had a lot of columns in this basement and some low soffits and low ductwork that didn't get moved, but all turned out fantastic. All right, guys, thanks for following us.